Okay, guys, it's been such a long time since I made videos, and I finally got my phone back, and so yeah, so I thought here I'd get a video of my dad's red truck, and I believe it's a GMC Sierra, and I believe the model number's on the door, and here's the model number, 3500 HD. So it's a 4x4 and a SLE on this side, and with the Sierra. So you got your tailgate down, and if you got stuff in here inside the toolbox here, a toolbox in here for your tools, a trailer hitch and jumper cables, another trailer hitch and stuff, and wood for setting up a camper. And then it's got it's all four doors, so it's got 4 rows of seats, and so here are the back seats, and then oops, here's the front steering wheel, gear shifter, and so you got a console right there, and if I show you the engine, there's the engine along with the engine fan, and you got a battery over here. You got a battery. And over here, I don't know why they put a thing in here. I don't know why. That's how they would have made these things. So, well, I thought I'll give it a quick run. Well, let's go ahead and now start it by using the remote start thing right here. Lock, honk the horn, and hold this. So you got your brake and your gas. So 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 you got your drive and neutral, and that's a M1 for, I don't know what. Then you got reverse and park, and whenever I put it in reverse, the backup camera comes on. So when you're going backwards, when you're like backing up, when you're hooking up to like a trailer or something, you'd be able to see where the hitch is right there, where you line up with the hitch in the front of the trailer, and then so and if I like put it in drive, and it goes off, so but you also got your hazards, your turn signal, and your horn. But I'm not really gonna do that anymore because and there's your brake, your gas. Alright, there's the engine fan spinning. There you have it. And you got something else too. You also you could pull these mirrors out like this. So when we're pulling our camper right there, we pull these out every time so we could see wherever like you're pulling the camper at. We pull these out. Then when you push them back in, you just carefully just push them back in. Okay, well thanks for watching.